हेलो फैमिली, होप यू आर ऑल वेल। ये वाला वीक जब से मैंने ये कंटेंट स्टार्ट किया ना, इट वाज द बेस्ट सिंस आई स्टार्ट मेकिंग दिस कंटेंट एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी थॉट्स, देयर आर मेनी इनक्रेडिबल थिंग्स दैट हैपन दिस वीक। जो सरप्राइज था मैंने आपको बोला था पिछले वीक में, इस वीडियो में मंडे को मैं आपको डायरेक्टली बता देता हूँ। जो भी डाउट्स हो, जो भी कमेंट करना चाहते हो, जो चीज़ें सीखना चाहते हो मेरे बारे में, आप मेरे बारे में नहीं सॉरी ट्रेडिंग के बारे में, नीचे कमेंट करो और मैं आपको आंसर दे दूंगा। सो लेट्स गो फॉर मोर प्रॉफिट्स एंड एंजॉय टिल द एंड।
Assalamu alaikum family, hope you are all doing well. October is just started almost. We are on 30th of September 2024. This month was pretty much a lot of frustration, impatient. There are a lot of things that I already explained you my feelings in the previous blog. But yeah, we are in the new month, new opportunities, new goals, but same ambition in what we want to do. It's become successful traders. I have गुड थिंग्स टू टेल यू। जैसे मैंने आपको पिछले वीडियो में बोला था, अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो इधर इधर मैं डालूंगा, नीचे भी डालूंगा, जाके जरूर देखिएगा। वी गोना एनालाइज दिस कपल ऑफ डेज वाज डूइंग सम स्टफ दैट आई वाज रियली बिजी एंड आई कुडंट मेक एनीथिंग properly, especially on Sundays. So let's go for more profits. Let's take a look at what happened today on Monday, because we have in the morning GDP monthly and yearly. Then the forecast is less and the result was less, so that was a negative, but the yearly was positive. So we're gonna see later what happened in the GDP pair. Then we have the CPI of German that came good because this is the deflation. And then we have PMI that is about to come in 15 minutes because New Year session is about to start. This is come same, there is no result. Tuesday we have, CPI of Euro that came less, so yeah, that is positive for the Euro economy. We have S&P Global US Manufacturing that came less, ISM Manufacturing PMI that came positive, and ISM Manufacturing Prices that came negative. We have a lot of controversies, and we have Jolt's job opening that came negative. On Wednesday we have ADP, non-farm employment change, that came positive. Crude oil inventory, there is no forecast. On Thursday we have initial jobless claim that came more, so that is negative. S&P Global Services PMI that came less, and we have a ISM non-manufacturing PMI that came positive, and the other one we are still missing the forecast. And on Friday we have the crepe of crepes. We have the most important news of this month, and that is non-farm payrolls that came 2k more. They just changed it because yesterday was another result. I remember the difference was 20k approximately. Average hourly earnings that came less, non-farm payrolls that came positive, and unemployment rate that is they are maintaining. Let's take a look of the 2 stars news. Tomorrow we have some news for out that is coming negative, build approvals, and retail sales that came monthly positive. There is no more news for any of the pairs. Breaking news, Hezbollah deputy says group will be fighting against Israel in support of Gaza. This can be the third war, so we have to prepare for all the bad things that can happen. Breaking news, Japan stocks plummet almost 5% after a surprise election result. On Friday we have a good result from the Japan economy because the new president that came, we are thinking that is going to do a better policy, we can say, in comparison to what the जो पुराने लोगों ने की है, क्योंकि जैसे आपने देखा होगा जेन की devaluation कितनी हो गई है, 4 to 5 times intervention of the Bank of Japan, and that affect all of the traders. China's stocks market today. China's stocks up 6% today and 18% in 5 days. Beijing 50 index post record 15% intraday jump. Record 1 trillion Chinese yuan trade in 30 minutes. Brokerage open 24/7 to accommodate retail traders. Commerce Ministry said it will improve policy effectiveness. And Chinese broker crashing due to high traffic. It truly feels like 2020. It's all over again. China is trying to maintain their economy survive till another collapse started. This week is going to be very, very tough for all the traders. I will not be sure to take any trade till something happen. We have now a clear mind, and वो stupidity नहीं करनी चाहिए जो हमने past में किया. D is why after breaking the support that we have on 100,500, it's having a bounce from 100, 100 almost 150. I am expecting having this small bounce from this place. Let's see, we have a small bullish, a strong bearish momentum right over here. Sorry. USD card, there is nothing clear. USD chef, if you have to find, there will be the same sort. GBP USD, in the beginning of the day, as you already know, we have this bullish candle. But yeah, I think we can have finally some sort of retracement to the upside, and then we start having this bearish momentum. Let's see. GBP NSD is still very bearish. Euro USD, it's having a very strong resistance rise over here since 25 August. It already 1, 2, 3, 4 times bouncing right over here. Maybe we are expecting having a bullish momentum or bearish. Let's see. Euro is completely bearish. I am looking to have some buys right over here, okay, because there is no clean entry. At this moment, there is no good entry at all. Let's see how this week goes, and then we're gonna take some trades. Remember, on the last vlog, I told you that I have something to tell you in the next vlog, that means in this vlog. On 10th of September, I bought this account while I was having problem with Fund Alliance. We are almost about to hit the first phase. We are about to pass the first phase. This is only trading using the GBP Yen. Okay, this is all is automatized. 10 तारीख को मैंने ये पहले ट्रेड ली थी. ओके, ये ऑटोमेटिक हो गई थी, लेकिन ये वाली मैनुअली थी, ये वाली भी मैनुअली थी, लेकिन ये वाली ऑटोमेटिक थी, ये वाली सॉरी. एंड आई वाज टेस्टिंग द बोट. लेकिन उसके बाद जैसे आप देख सकते हो, almost in profit. We have 5 very good days. This is break even because 40 pips of TP and 20 pips of stop loss. Okay, और जब प्राइस उसकी पहुंच रही होती है 27 पिप्स तक, मैं ऑटोमेटिकली 10 पिप्स बेनिफिट लगा देता हूँ. ठीक है, खुबा में जो मर्जी करना हो तो कर लेगा. ठीक है. एंड टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग इट डिड समथिंग very bad, we can say. Here was the trade. Okay, and what happened was it opened the trade at 735. It came all the way down, but in this candle it take my break even and then it go to TP. Today could be the day that I could pass the exam, but anyways, we have to wait. Let's see how this week goes. We have everything prepared. New month, new opportunities. The board works in GBP Yen, and yeah, I'm quite happy. Let's see if we can pass the exam this week.
With this amazing trade on GBP Yen, we hit 2%. Here is the good news that we just passed the first phase of FTMO challenge. We pass it, and I just received the 10k, another 10k for doing the second phase. First day of October, and we just passed the exam. I am very very happy for passing it. मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि स्ट्रगल अभी नहीं है. सेकंड फेज में जब अकाउंट होगा मेरे पास तो फिर डिफिकल्टीज आएगी. बट या मीनवाइल आई एम जस्ट doing some back tests in different strategies. Let's hope for finish in the best way possible. Right now, DXY is having a huge bounce from 100,200, and we are just break this trend. We're about to go to the next trend, and we will have 2 opportunities. One will be this one, and the other one could be break this high and then go up. If you focus on USD chef, this is bearish till now. GBP USD is completing the bearish momentum. It didn't open our trade in 400 sorry, and it's having this down momentum. Euro out is still waiting for this area 1.600, and Euro USD is doing the same thing. It bounced couple of times, 4 times exactly in this time, and then it's coming down. Breaking news, we are having right now the first attack from Iran to Israel. This is getting very very complicated for all the people, for all the markets, for all the members in the world. We have to take care firstly of our family, friends, because this can be the third world war and मुझे लगता है कि ये तो बहुत ख़तरनाक हो जाएगा. सब डिफेंस करने की कोशिश करें जो पैलेस्टाइन में हो रहा है, गाज़ा में हो रहा है. सिविल लोगों को मरना नहीं चाहिए. मार्केट देखते हैं कैसे रिएक्ट कर रही है इन न्यूज़ को देख के. We are watching right now Nasdaq and it having a great bearish momentum. It almost dropped out 2.26%. Gold today is running 1.5% in profit, and Bitcoin it's looking bearish. Yeah, Bitcoin is looking bearish. Let's see if we start bouncing from this area of 60,000. Let's see if we have a good entry from right over here and then start moving up. And yeah, it's looking very, very terrible, we can say. Hello family. We are 4 minutes away from the ADP of USD. Let's see the result, how it coming. We think we gonna have a positive reaction on USD. Meanwhile, I just opened a trade on GBP, the first trade in the second phase of FTMO. The news is coming. We maybe gonna have some volatility. Hope we have a TP, but we are prepared for everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 143. They just correct the past month 103k and the current is 143k running to the TP. Let's see if that touch the TP live. We just moved to the MT5 account. Here is the current balance and the stop loss just moved to break even and just about to hit TP. Two pips, 3 pips far from the TP. And here is the TP and we are just 2% in profit in our FTMO account. 3rd of October 2024. Let's take a look of the trade that I took on GBP Yen. It hit TP and we are just 1% left from having the funding account. Here was the trade. It executed on 194.432, closing 40 pips, and here is the result. The news are about to come on USD jobless claim that are about to come later. We're gonna talk about what happened in the news in the beginning of the day. This position is not live, okay? I didn't put it because what is going to happen today and tomorrow. We have a couple of news that is better to be outside the market. The news are coming negative for USD. They are coming more, so that is a negative reaction, and we're gonna have a bullish reaction on US, on all the pairs against USD. Let's see. TXY ये तो उल्टा गा रहा है because 3k came more, so this is negative reaction. Meanwhile, let's talk about the other news that came in the morning, because जैसा देख सकते हो there came CPI of CHEF, that came deflation, and some negative news for GBP. That is the reason we have this bearish momentum today in the market. इधर मिला था चांस एंट्री करने का, लेकिन हमने ली नहीं थी.
What's going on, family? Hope you are all well. Today we are on the NFP day and the result not just came out because घंटा हो गया, but it came better than we expected, and we are having a very bullish reaction, and DXY and all the pairs against USD are coming down. The forecast was 147k and the result came 254k. That is a very strong jobs position for US economy, and we are just waiting to see what is going to happen in the Fed meeting. The unemployment rate fell to 4.1% in September, down from 4.2%. The Fed fund futures, they discard completely the cut of 50 points for the Fed meeting. That means that 25 basic points का rate cut हो गया the day after elections. we are in the CM group. There were 91.2% of a rate cut of 25 basic points in comparison of the 8.8% for the people who are waiting to have a 50 points of rate cuts. This is the crazy reaction on DKSY when the result just came out, and देख सकते हो कि इतना bullish candle बहुत रेयर दफा ये तो क्रिप्टो में नजर आता है, लेकिन ये DKSY में नजर आया क्योंकि ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई. This last trimester for this year is going to be very very volatile in the markets. GBP के लिए न्यूज़ वेरी बैड थी, यूरो के लिए भी न्यूज़ वेरी बैड थी, USD के लिए थोड़ी बहुत कंट्रोवर्सी थी क्योंकि बिगिनिंग वाज समथिंग गुड समथिंग बैड, लेकिन the main key was on Wednesday the ADP that came positive, and the only news that we can consider that came less was initial jobless claim, जो कि बहुत लेटली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया यूएस इकोनॉमी के लिए. ये थोड़ी बहुत नेगेटिव आई थी, ठीक है, लेकिन जो आज की न्यूज़ आई है वो ये तो बहुत बेहतर है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद DKSY. जैसे आप देख रहे हो इधर से हमने एनालिसिस की थी 100.163, ठीक है, जो इधर डबल रेजिस्टेंस उसने क्रिएट किया है और फिर इधर से बिल्कुल ऊपर चला गया. ये इस वीक के शुरू से हुआ, gaining 2.43% in profit, 2.43% sorry in going up. और जैसे आप इधर देख रहे हो ये ट्रेंड बिल्कुल अब लग रहा है कि टूट के ऊपर जा रही है, ठीक है. We have I can consider we're gonna reach this area 106 or 105 or 103, okay, because these are clean setup to still going very bullish. USD CAD obviously अगर DKSY ऊपर जा रहा है USD CAD भी ऊपर जाएगा. USD CHF हम देख सकते हैं कि ये पिछले वीक में हमको ये शॉर्ट दिया गया था, लेकिन उसके बाद ये कम्प्लीटली बुलिश हो गया, ठीक है. आपको पता होगा कि मैंने कुछ दिन पहले मतलब पिछले वीक या इस वीक में मैंने शुरू में एनालिसिस की थी कि हम एक्सपेक्ट करें के नीचे है. मेरी ये एंट्री पॉइंट थी जो कि हुई नहीं, लेकिन अभी ये बिल्कुल कम्प्लीट इधर हम ट्रेड ले सकते थे लेकिन हमने ली नहीं, ठीक है, और ये बिल्कुल बेरिस्ट हो गया. This trade was taken, but unfortunately it didn't take my TP. Okay, here as you guys can see in this big candle जो आपको नजर आ रही है, इसी big candle के अंदर मेरी ब्रेक इवन में ये पोजीशन बंद हो गई थी, ठीक है, लेकिन बाद में ये चली गई थी नीचे, लेकिन दोबारा ऊपर चली गई थी. इधर हम देख सकते हैं कि इधर लॉट साइज मैंने कम कर दी थी, इसलिए की थी क्योंकि $100 रह गए थे अचीव करने के लिए, तो बेहतर है कि मैं वेट कर रहा था कि ये रेडियो 1-2 कर दे, ठीक है, रिस्क इन $50 एंड आई कुड रीच इट, लेकिन इट हिट ब्रेक इवन. सो या इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीक हमारे पास ये अकाउंट होगा. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द पीपल हु आर वाचिंग मी. या इट्स बीन September was a very tough month, but we are just facing a very good start of the October. We just आपके सामने सब result. We hope for the best. We have keep continue doing this stuff and trying to improve as much as possible. See you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to join the family. Thank you so much if you do, and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.